Alright, so this is my AI avatar. So you can now generate unlimited amounts of AI videos and images without paying for any credits. That looks like me, talks like me, and even gestures like me. And I created this using a tool called HeyGen, so I never have to record content again. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do the same thing. So this completely automates your content workflow. You no longer have to shoot videos, set up lighting, or worry about being on camera. Now I have used this exact same system to scale my agency Social Brew Toronto to $20,000 a month, grow my personal brand to 20,000 followers, and help my clients build their brands from 0 to over 10, 20, 50,000 followers, generating hundreds of leads and thousands of dollars in revenue for myself and for my clients without ever recording a single video themselves. So if you are a business owner who wants to post consistently but you hate being on camera, or you just don't have the time to shoot, this is exactly what you need. Alright, so let's just get started. I'm going to walk you through the entire process of creating your own hyper-realistic AI clone. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to HeyGen.com and create an account. Now I already have an account, so I'm just going to sign in here. So once you're signed in, you'll see a bunch of options here. You've got instant avatar, photo avatar, template, AI script, editor. You can do a lot of things with this tool, but in this video, I'm only going to teach you how to create your own hyper-realistic AI clone that can actually do videos for you. Because the whole point of this is to completely automate your content workflow, so you're not having to record yourself over and over again. The first thing that you need to do is click on instant avatar right here. Now when you sign up for HeyGen, you actually get one free instant avatar and one free credit as well, which lets you create a 60-second video. After that free trial, you'll need to buy more credits. So let me quickly walk you through the pricing so you know what you're getting into. So I personally use a $30 month plan. With that, you get unlimited videos per month, but you do not get unlimited avatar for generation. Now the videos can actually be up to 5 minutes long, so you're not limited to just 60 seconds per video. You get 300 instant avatars, which means you can film yourself in 300 different outfits or even 300 different backgrounds. Now I actually have over 30 to 40 avatars at this point because I keep filming myself with new backgrounds, new setup, and it keeps the content fresh and it makes harder for people to tell it's AI. Now there's also something called Avatar 4. This is an upgrade that costs $15 a month for 5 to 10 minutes of video generation. And Avatar 4 gives you way better lip sync, more realistic body language, and smoother hand movements compared to the standard model. So I highly recommend using Avatar 4 if you're serious about this. It's honestly the difference between looking 80% real and looking 95% real. Alright, so let's actually create the avatar now. So I'm going to click on free instant avatar right here, and this is basically just showing you what the tool can actually do for you. Now you can choose between text instructions or video instructions. I prefer text because it's like an instruction manual and it's easier to follow. So I'm going to click on that. So now let's go through the rules and best practices. And this is really important because the quality of avatar really depends entirely on the quality of the footage you upload. So here's how this tool actually works. You're going to upload a video of yourself anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes long, and HeyGen's AI processes that footage. It understands your gesture, your voice, your facial expressions, your hand movements, and then it creates a digital replica of you. From that point on, whenever you type in a script or you upload a voiceover, the AI avatar will speak it in your voice and mimic your body language as well. It's pretty wild, right? But for this to work well, you need to follow these rules. First, use a high resolution camera. You want 1080p minimum. The better the quality, the better your clone is going to be. Second, record in a well-lit, quiet environment. So minimize background noise, make sure your face is evenly lit, no harsh shadows or overexposure on your face. Third, directly look into the camera. Maintain eye contact the entire time, as this is the key for realism. Fourth, pause between sentences with your mouth closed, so the AI needs to see your resting face. So if you talk non-stop without closing your mouth, the lip sync is going to be off. Fifth, use natural gestures and keep your hands below your chest. So you can move your hands, but just keep them in this zone right here. The AI struggles with hands, so the less complicated movement, the better. Now here's what you don't want to do. Don't have stitches or cuts in your footage. Don't talk without pauses. Don't change positions while recording content. Don't have loud background noise, shadows, or overexposures on your face. Don't divert your gaze or look around. Don't use hand gestures above your chest. Now I know this sounds like a lot, but honestly, if you just record a clean 10-minute video where you're talking naturally, looking at the camera, and keeping your hands chill, you're good. And here's the key. Upload a 10-minute video, not just 5. So HeyGen now allows up to 10 minutes of training data, and the more data you give it, the better your clone will be. And this this is how you get a hyper realistic avatar, not the photo clone, not the shortcut version. You need to upload real video footage. So now you can either upload the existing footage or you can record directly with your webcam. Now most webcams are pretty low quality, so I really don't recommend using the webcam unless you're just testing this out. And I already have a footage of myself, so I'm just going to use that to upload here. So this is the video that I'm using. It's about 10 minutes long, clean lighting, looking straight at the camera, no cuts. And I'm just going to hit upload. Now while this uploads, just know if you mess up the recording, don't worry. You can always re-record and upload new versions. So HeyGen actually lets you upload more footage over time to keep improving your avatar. And I have done this multiple times as well. So every few months I'll record a new batch of footage with different outfits or backgrounds and I'll create a new avatar. And that's how I ended up with over 30 to 40 of them. Now look, if you want to learn how to build this entire AI content system step by step, and not just the avatar but the scripting, the editing, the distribution, the lead gen, I walk through all of that inside Content Circle. So it's my community where I show you exactly how to set up your AI clone, how to create 30 days of content in just a few hours, and how to turn all of that content into actual leads and revenue. We have got multiple members inside right now that are crushing it. Links in the description. Alright, let's keep going. So now HeyGen is asking for consent, and this is important because of deep fakes and all of that stuff. So they need legal proof that you are authorizing HeyGen to create an avatar for you. So you're going to record a quick video where you read a script they provide. It says something like, I hereby Ritik Chawla declare I authorize HeyGen to use this footage, blah blah blah. So I'm going to turn on my mic and camera and I'm just going to read this. Now what you want to do is just turn on your mic and camera and just read whatever HeyGen is prompting you to read. Now it's going to validate your consent, which takes about 20 seconds, and once it's done you're going to hit submit. Alright, now it's processing, and this usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. So what's happening right now is HeyGen's AI is analyzing your footage, mapping out your facial features, learning your voice patterns, tracking your gestures, all of that. And in a couple of minutes you'll have a digital version of yourself that you can use to create unlimited videos. Alright, let's see if it's ready, and boom, it's done. So let's check it out. I lost 90% of my views for 6 months straight, and it was all because I ignored the one thing nobody talks about. Okay, so not bad. The voice is pretty close, the gestures look natural. Now this is using the standard model, not Avatar 4 yet, but it's already pretty solid. So let's actually create a video with this and see how it works. So this is the HeyGen editor. You have got your avatar here on the left. On the right you can type in a script or you can upload an audio file. Now here's the thing, you can use the text to speech feature inside HeyGen, but I actually use a tool called ElevenLabs for the voice. So ElevenLabs lets you train your voice with about 2 to 3 hours of audio data, and it sounds way more realistic than HeyGen's built-in text to speech. So what I do is I write the script, I generate the voiceover in ElevenLabs, I download the audio file, and then I upload it here. And then HeyGen syncs the avatar's mouth and gestures to that audio. It's pretty seamless. Alright, so I'm going to hit submit, and now it's going to generate that video, which takes about another a minute or two. So while it's rendering, let me give you something. I put together a free guide on how to record the perfect HeyGen video. It covers lighting setup, camera angles, scripting your footage, all the technical stuff, basically everything you need to get the hyper realistic clone on your first try. So links in the description, just grab it. It will save you hours of trial and error. Alright, let's check if the video is already ready. But then I noticed something while scrolling at 2 AM. The videos that actually stopped me weren't the ones with the best hooks. They were the ones I could understand without sound. Okay, so that's the avatar in action. Pretty realistic, right? Now here's why this matters. So I've used this exact system to create content for myself and my clients, and we have scaled multiple personal brands from 0 to 10, 20,000 followers. So these people never recorded a single video themselves because we only used AI clones, and they were able to generate hundreds of leads and thousands of dollars in revenue from that content. And I've also used my own AI avatar on Instagram Reels, and those reels have pulled millions of views. So it really works, people. It's just that you need to get it right. Now let me be real with you. There are limitations to this. So first, you can only do talking head videos. You can't do any crazy visual hooks where you're jumping around or showing your hands doing something. It's static, you are on camera, you're talking, that's it. And the thing is, a lot of social media is about visuals. So if your visuals suck, even the best script won't save you. So if you're using AI clones, you have to be really smart about how you edit the video. So here's the rule. Don't show the AI avatar for more than 6 seconds at a time, because if you do, people start to notice something's off. So what you do is you layer in B-roll, motion graphics, text overlays, screen recordings, anything to break up the static shot of the avatar. So it's like 3 seconds of avatar, then 5 seconds of B-roll, then 4 seconds of avatar, then a graphic, and then back to avatar. You're constantly cutting away, and that's how you make it feel dynamic and natural. The avatar is just the voice and the face. The editing is what makes the content actually perform. So if you're doing this yourself, just know you still need to edit the videos properly. The avatar doesn't do everything. It just removes the need for you to be on camera. Alright, so if you're serious about using AI avatars for your business, here's what I recommend. First, fine tune your avatar. HeyGen lets you upload more footage over time to keep training the AI, and the more data you give it, the better it gets. So I fine-tuned mine multiple times, and every time the quality improves. And when you fine-tune it, you get access to higher resolution as well. Step 2 is use Avatar 4. So like I mentioned earlier, Avatar 4 costs an extra $15 a month, but it's massive upgrade. The lip sync is near perfect, the body language is smoother, and the hand movements look way more natural. So if you are creating content for clients, or if you're building a personal brand and you want it to look as real as possible, use Avatar 4. It's honestly the difference between 80% and 95% real. And one more thing, don't use photo clone option. I know it's easier to just upload a photo and HeyGen generates an avatar from that, but it looks fake. It's really obvious that you're using an avatar. So if you want a hyper realistic clone that actually converts and builds trust with your audience, you need to upload a real video. 10 minutes of clean footage, that's the standard. Now look, if you're watching this and thinking that this is amazing, but I do not want to do all of this myself, I totally get it. You're a business owner, you have got clients to serve, a team to manage, a revenue to generate, and you don't have time to mess around with HeyGen, ElevenLabs, editing software and all of that shit. And that's exactly why I built Social Brew Toronto, to help people like you, where we build your AI clone for you, hyper realistic, that sounds exactly like you, and we create 30 pieces of content every single month using this exact same system. And you never have to record a single video, you never have to come up with ideas, you never have to edit anything, because we handle it all. And we just don't make content, we build the full lead gen system for you. Lead magnets, DM automation, story sequences, so your content actually books calls and brings in revenue. So if that sounds interesting, links in the description, book a call with me and I will walk you through exactly how this works. Alright, so just to recap, step 1 was to go to HeyGen and sign up. Step 2 is to record the 10 minutes of clean footage with high quality, no cuts and looking directly at the camera. Step 3 is to upload it and go through the consent process and let HeyGen create your avatar. Step 4 is to use Avatar 4 and fine tune your clone for the best results. And step 5 is to edit your videos smartly. Don't show the avatar for more than 6 seconds at a time. So do this and you'll never have to be on camera again. You can create unlimited content, scale your personal brand and generate leads all without recording yourself. So grab the free guide in the description, check out the content circle if you want to learn the system yourself, and if you want us to do it all for you, book a call with me below using my Calendly link in the description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.